Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello YouTube World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to set or insert apparel icons in Microsoft Word in Windows 11. So for this case we will open a Microsoft Word file. So in this file we will set or insert this. This is the icon. So what kinds of icons we want? The apparels related icons. See, it has come. So here we will click or we will search. See the apparel, click here. So if you want to take this or a single thing, so it mark 1. If we click 2, then 2, 3, then 3, 4, then 4 item has been selected. So we will insert. See, the 4 icons we will select and the 4 icons has come in this space. So now if we want to change the things in this section, so first of all click here, and the what kinds of change? If we want the graphics fill, see, the has been changed. Then graphics outline, so the border line has been clear. See which one reveal, or if we give the black sign, green, this as well as this, which one indicate black will be displayed brightly. So click here. Now then if we click the graphics effect, see, this kind of effect has been revealed. See this. Now when we want to change this picture, change means that means the moving or setting. So here right button we click, and in line with the text, with text wrapping, so if we click first one, see this change again. This sign actually behind the text, click here. See, the text or the picture has been revealed behind the text. Here we will settings, and click here. This side has been going to the right side, as well as if we press this in this way we can change the moving point. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.